Okay, this is a large one. We've done these before. I'm going to see how big it is. We're just going to put it in the middle of the page. We're not going to bother fitting it to page as we normally don't. Because this particular kind of original is going to be reduced. Right. It's going to be reversed as usual. I wonder what background colour we're going to give it when we get to it. Whoops. The black staying in the middle. This is going to be, I think it's negative positive. Yes, it's switched on. I can see it there. Hue. What are we going to do with the hue? Going to warm it. Okay, it's warm. And we're just going to call it okay. And the background colour. What are we going to give it? If it's going to have a background colour. See if it's mainly cool colours, so it's going to be warm colours. So we're going to make it cool colour. We're going with the green. And we've got to go here. And I don't think the red goes terribly well with the green. So I'm wondering if we're going to add a touch, reasonable amount of green. And here it's probably going to be too green, so we're going to just cool it off. I don't know how this is going to work because green often doesn't go with the warm colours. We'll soon find out if we've done an interesting take. What have we got? We have here another one of these Chinese domain real estate papers. So we're just going to do the front. It's bigger than a B4 and smaller than an A3. So we're just going to put it in the A3 area. So we're just going to line it up. Just try to get it in the centre as much as we can without getting too fussed. So we've got a bit on the edge. We're not going to get too fussy here, although it looks like we are. So let's just put the dock feeder down. We've got it in position here now, and we're just going to drop the dock feeder and see what it does. Right, so it's going to be, I think I forgot one thing. I forgot to reduce it. I've forgotten to reduce. So it's going to be 100%, which means there's going to be a lot missing. So let's see, we forgot again to set the reduction. I was a bit concerned that I was going to lose my settings. That looks interesting. It looks very cold. It does look very cold. I think, of course, we were meant to put a hot colour in because, no, but it was hot colours. It was going to be hot colours. I cooled it down too far. So now we're just going to set the reduction. That's the reduction we're after. And we've got to do some work on the colour. The green looks, there's just too much coldness. It's too green. So we're going to just hit the green to the centre. And the hue is going to be warmer. See how the warmth goes? It's hard to get green to work as a background colour. It's hard to get it to because, you know, you do one function, you affect others. And the red is usually the easiest colour. Red and magenta and camel or yellow, but other colours are not so easy to make work. And we don't want the green, we don't want it to become too cold. But this looks quite interesting. I don't know whether I actually like it. There's the green there in the buildings, and you can see, oh, that sounded funny. I might call that one quits.